Hey guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to add music to Instagram story. In the video description I have put useful software you probably don't know exist, so definitely check it out after this video. So anyway, we open the Instagram app. We tap on our profile picture to open our profile. Now we tap again on our profile picture to add a story. We choose something. Here right next to the text icon there is a smiley face at the top right. We tap on that. Now we select music. Here we select a song. We select how to display the player, from where to start, like that. Now we click done. We can choose where to display the lyrics, like that, and just continue sharing your story. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to see more.